Hi, my name's Chris Noble. I'm an independent IT consultant. My website is www.doglikehorse.com. This is a video on how to add a microphone to a computer. This is a fairly straightforward process. Your computer may already have a built-in microphone. If it does, then you'll need to change the settings to use the new microphone that you're using. But the actual process is very, very straightforward. The jack for the input for the microphone is exactly the same as the headphone jack that you would normally use. Now you'll find that jack, it's normally pink color-coded on the back of your computer, or if you're using a laptop, typically on the side or the front. Simply plug the microphone in. It should be labeled as a microphone jack with a little microphone icon next to it, and test whether it works. If the microphone doesn't work first time, then you'll need to change the settings in System Preferences to use the line in. And that's the terminology you'll see in System Preferences. It won't be microphone or anything of the like, it'll be line in. So make sure your System Preferences says that it's using line in, and the microphone should then work. My name's Chris Noble, and that's how to add a microphone to a computer.